for free. Ooh, and we're live. Okay, so I'm just live streaming multiple platforms. You guys know the game. I may take you guys to go get water with me, actually. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get some water real quick. So, Claude Code is the tool everyone needs. It's like so much so that I think it's a question: do I do a workshop on Saturday? I wonder if people will sign up. I think so. Spend a weekend learn Claude Code, whole websites and vibe coding. Like that would be pretty sick. I think we're gonna do it. So are you a? Let me answer your question, good sir. You have an awesome first name, quite similar to mine. Sorry, just getting water for my regular live show. So you're more of an AI engineer, or do you do ML or LLM architecture? None of that. I know, shocker. I cannot speak to any of those areas. I am an automation consultant, and I do AI training and education. So any of like the machine learning, the data, all that, that's a whole different domain, different live stream. This is more for entrepreneurs that want to leverage AI automation to buy back 24 hours in their work so that they can do more without having to, I don't know, it's kind of like a constraint. There's a ton of like nerdy stuff because there's no need to learn like the ML stuff unless you're going like, unless you need like a 9-to-5 job and then you want to be like an employee. But if you're going to learn machine learning, like you have a 6-figure job of where you could, there's a ton of companies that need like AI and machine learning scientists. Like you should go into business starting today, Jonathan. I'm saying this to you as a consultant. Congratulations. I bless you as a consultant. Go forth and go find your first client. Help them automate their business. You will, I promise you, you will not use a single part of any of your machine learning or ML or any other, not needed. So instead, just go help a business automate. You'll be surprised what you can do with just Zapier. Even like I just took on another client. They do about 2.5 million a year in like, they're in a social media marketing agency. They're not using Claude. Like that one thing alone, they're doing their data science team, their data analytic team, all doing things manual Google Sheets, manual lookup formula. They're manually writing Excel formulas in 2026. Ugh. Oh no, I work on my architecture side. My business publishes research papers on our... Dude, okay, Jonathan, here's your first thing. You're going to start a Substack, and you're going to start talking about all the things that you're learning, but you have to speak towards the avatar of a business that's doing 200, let's say $500,000 plus, how they can leverage AI. You have your Substack with that, leverage all of your machine learning and that how it, like a business can use machine, because basically we're getting into is like small language models. Like small language models were basically like it's an invoice, or right now in commercial real estate, you can train a model so that it generates a contract or types of contracts for commercial real estate. So you're technically using your machine learning. This channel rocks. We're getting super nerdy. Like we're going super nerdy to help Jonathan leverage his machine learning and his AI engineering skills to go into entrepreneurship to help SMBs and businesses implement AI or AI advising. So that's where it's like I just took on a commercial real estate client. None of them are using AI. Like all the clients I picked up this week, I had a couple new B2B businesses. None of them are using AI. Like just teaching them Claude, they're all using ChatGPT. Like crazy, right? They're just using ChatGPT and they're like, oh, ChatGPT is like obsolete. Like you should not touch, like literally, do not touch ChatGPT in 2026. No ChatGPT, no NAN, no Windows, no typing. No, what else? Those are my favorite ones. Like, can I get your opinion on a project network? I'm sure. Share your project. I'll be down to interested. Share. I see. I'm in a very unique position because I do a lot of AI consulting, so I get to see like the creme of the creme of like what people are doing for automations is like super interesting. It's really fun. Boop, boop. We got a lot of bots. I love my bots. So, you guys know the game. 10,000 likes, and I will unlock a free prize. A chat or Claude. What is it? A Claude Mastery workbook that has everything you could want to know about Claude. First, coding is ID, and then you could cut API costs by saying, look, I'm trying to cut my API costs. In fact, I'm trying to like optimize my API costs right now. This is just for the people to get everyone riled up for the likes. Alyssa's old. That's the old one. Let me get you the new ones. Yeah. This is the new one right here. This is a complete Claude Code workbook. We still have some people still hanging out in there. There are 69 pages of pure sweet Claude Code juiciness. This is free. I'm going to give this away free at 10,000 likes. You will get this full 22 module workbook that you can use. Moon Weaver's in the house. Oh my God, game over. Game over. I got it like quick little thing. Moonweaver, you and Didi like tag team and unlocked. I will never give it out again. That $5,000 Alex Hermosi, his whole package. Enjoy. I'm like, enjoy. You both of you crushed it, deserved it. So like, we're doing the same game. We got a brand new audience tonight. And so we're teaching everyone why Claude Code is the most important tool to learn in 2026. Some of the biggest things, like let's go to subagents. Subagents are a whole thing. This is why Claude like crushes it. Claude, you can build subagents. So if you spin up a project and then have him go and work on a project, like vibe code a website, for example, then he will go and build out the whole, like he will spawn up subagents. They'll go out, do the work and report back. Like, so like also like default him to like encourage him and be like, hey, default, leverage agents. C-Suite, welcome to the party. C-Suite, we were just talking about Claude Code and how all my C-Suite coaching programs are like learning AI. Is that 7-day LinkedIn work and the AM? Which one? Which is the 7-day link? 7-day link. Oh, the 7-day trial is still active. Technically, if you still want to join the community, I still left the 7-day trial there. So we actually had like 7 people sign up, which was actually pretty sick. I see some people actually opening up the workbook right now too. And then I see all your questions. You guys got some good questions here. Can Claude help me build a basic form that will connect my SQL database to AWS? So easily, and take it even farther, automate the whole SQL database. So basically Claude, people are building their own wrappers or their own user interfaces or their own dashboards. You can vibe code your own dashboard that connects all your different LLM tools, kind of like what ClaudeBot is doing, but like not with ClaudeBot, you're just vibe coding. You want to connect your Gmail, your Google Calendar, your Notion database, and maybe your Asana or Slack or To-Do Task Manager. And he can connect all those, and then you build a database, or you have Claude create a wrapper or create a user, I should do like this, a user interface, just like a browser basically. So people are vibe coding their own user interfaces for it. One of my students vibe coded his, I wish I could show an example of it. It's so dope. He vibe coded his own study guide app to study for a certification, which is like super insane. Like, what's a wrapper? A wrapper is basically just a user interface. It's just a cover. It's just a website. It's just when you go to like chatgpt.com, that is a wrapper. When you go to Perplexity or Claude, that is a wrapper. That is just a user interface that connects to an API on the back end. And so you don't need the user interface side. You can just hang out in all like the API. Like most of it is real. Like when you get into AI, everything that's a $20 subscription, think of that as like a tax. That's like the $20 like beginner's tax. You want to play in the APIs. You want to look for tools that have an API, a CLI, MCP, because you could connect to them on the back end, and then you're just paying per cost. And you're most of the times you're actually paying like pennies for like a request and stuff like that. Rainbow Sparkles Kittens, thank you so much. Such a funny. The names are like great. 10,000 likes and I give you guys this Claude Code workbook. I know you guys are like, but I have that already. Some people, not everyone has this workbook yet. So we got to give the people the workbook so you guys can stay up to date and and learn how to build full stack SaaS applications, how to automate your social media. Coach Jaja! Okay, hold on. I got to say hi. Coach Jaja, how's it going? Hope you're having a blessed day. I miss you. Sending you lots of love and joy. I miss you, Coach Jaja. Everyone, Coach Jaja, if you want to learn how to start a digital product and make money online with live streams, that's Coach Jaja. Let me pin her. Pin your comment. That's Coach Jaja right there. Get her book on how to do digital marketing. It is a great book. Why block my main? I respect and watch. Oh, okay. I apologize. I'll unblock them. I apologize. I am quick to block, and I apologize. You're a longtime fan, so I will unblock. I know the profile, so just remind me to send me a DM when I won't block you. I sometimes block too aggressively. You guys know, because I gotta keep the bots out. Nothing but positivity in my live streams. Sometimes I dial the threshold a little too much. Can I get the trial instead? You have the workbook. Oh, for sure. So for everyone, if you guys go to /academy, that's the URL. So if you take a screenshot, there you go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. This is for Java. If you guys already have the workbook, but you guys want the free trial to the Academy, join here. Technically, I will kind of say, like, if you guys missed out on that whole Alex Hormozy $5,000 prize or $5,000 gift, and you still want that, join the community. I hook up my members. There's a lot of cool stuff. So that's where you could join. And then right when you click on that, it will be a free sign. I'm pretty sure. Let me make sure it's still active. I'm going to be updating my website. It's so outdated. I'm going to be vibe coding the website. Yep. And then if we look down, oh, there we go. Wait, sorry. Scroll. 7-day trial. Free. 0. You pay 0 for 7 days. And you guys get full access. By the way, okay. By the way, if you join the Academy, this is something that just got like just today, one of the members was like, I listened to my members' feedback and they're like, John, we would love a list where we can put all the AI tools that we come across so that we can share tools with each other. So I was like, bet, I hear you loud and clear. And in 1 hour, look what I created. So now when you come in, we have a link for tools. This takes you to my personal private Notion database. Oh, they're already adding. Dope, my members are already adding stuff. I didn't add that. That was one of my members who added that. Dope! Thank you, members, for supporting each other. So this is a Notion database called my tech stack. There are 849. I gotta clean my screen. There we go. Hold on. You would think I go for some Windex here. There we go. That's so funny. 849 tools. These are the best of the best tools that I have been saving for years. So if there's anything that I need a tool for an automation, I just come in here and I search something like show me all the voice tools. And then I can see like, oh, I should probably do, by the way, that tool is dope. Bye, Coach Jaja. Hope you have a blessed day. I miss you. Sending lots of love. I gotta catch up with Coach Jaja. See, this app, I'm not gonna lie. This app, TikTok, sorry. My brain just went, bleh. This app, TikTok, like connects you with like amazing human beings around the world. That's like something I'm like super blessed. Like I got to meet and connect with Coach Jaja because of TikTok and live stream. I'm just blessed to continue to live stream for another year. I'm like coming up on my, like, I think I finished my 1 year anniversary like 2 weeks ago. And I didn't even celebrate. I got to celebrate my 1 year anniversary. Of TikTok. The link goes to Dr. A. Yeah, that was because Java, she was in the comments right above Demetrius, and she already got the workbook. So she has the workbook. I'm assuming it's she. And Java wanted the link to the Academy. So that's why I gave you guys the Academy one. Go to the Academy if you guys want to stay up to date. Thank you, Coach Jaja. And then one more question. Have a blessed day, Coach Jaja. Is Claude better than N8N? Who's put in the chat? Definitely she her. Pleasure to meet you, Java. I want to make sure you got that the academy. And then the cool thing about the academy too is if you join, you get a 1 hour one-on-one with me. Secret budget lead 90 minutes to 2 hours. I'm gonna go way over my time, but I'm gonna go give you all the secret sauce. So all the members that join the community, you get a 1 hour with me, and we're gonna go deep on automation. I'm gonna show you all the cool stuff. Get the Alex Hormozi like $5,000 package if you haven't gotten that. Like tons of goodies. Pleasure to meet you, Java. Welcome to the AI fam. And then what are some goodies in here? So this is coming up. That's at 10,000 likes. Take your time, no rush, and we will give you. Let's see. How do I? Now, one of the biggest things is just vibe coding a website in general. I just want to show the picture. This is Nano Banana Pro. I just want to show. Use Nano Banana Pro to create mock-up images of your products, your services, your lead magnets. Oh my God, does this look a lot better than showing a Google Doc and be like, oh wait, there we go. It's like you could get the Google Doc, or for marketing, same information, different wrapper. See how marketing? It's all about marketing. That's marketing in a sense. It's like it's like the wrapper for it. So very nice, very nice, very nice. If you guys join, that also gets you on my email list where I think we're going to be doing a Claude Code workshop this Saturday. I think we're going to do it. We're going to see. I mean, it's going to be like a last minute thing. But to all the people that are like, look, I got to learn Claude like this weekend because like next week, every week is like a week in AI is like 4 months in the real world of like how fast things move. It's like crazy fast. Like these are crazy. Let me show you guys this new tool because you guys will learn a new tool that I just discovered too. Let's see here. What is this thing called? Wait, so yeah, look at this tool. This is an interesting tool because I come across interesting AI tools. This is called VoiceBox. This is a open source voice synthesis studio. Dang, hold on, clean my lens. It was a little dirty. There we go, not much better. So anything for day traders. Not specifically like day traders, like I would for sure like start Claude Code. Like Claude Code, depending on like the trading platform that you're, or no, it's super nerdy, but depending on the trading platform that you're using, you could actually write custom scripts. Claude's gonna write the custom scripts for your trading algorithm. That's a good little 2 cents. Because everyone learned Claude Code, you guys will make more money with Claude Code in your life. It is mandatory. So much. Where's Claude? Claude, say hi. So that's Claude. Say hi, Claude. You should get Claude in your desktop. And then you should get Claude on your browser. That's Claude. Say hi, Claude. Because Claude on your browser can do full automation. Yes. Full automation. Like fill out this form on this website. Navigate this shopping cart and go buy me some bananas or something like this, or go navigate this plane air flare. My brain is just shutting down right now, and go book me a flight to Cincinnati or something like that. So it will autonomously control your browser. I mean, nothing new. I mean, Codex and stuff does that, but the fact that it's all you have one subscription for Claude that allows you to do browser automation. Then goes down to desktop, which is basically like, all the office jobs. Like, this is where it's terrifying a lot of office jobs. Like, your office job could be replaced by Cowork. That's the terrifying thing for a lot of people going into the office on Monday. They're like, the boss is like, yo, we just found out about Claude Cowork, and we don't need you to do that report anymore, or create that report, or create those things. Crazy. Have a great Ash Wednesday. Wait, hold on. There we go. Flip. There we go. Java, nice to meet you. Hope you have a blessed day. Look forward to seeing you in the community. Book that 101, and then I can show you all the cool superpowers. And then at the end of the day, it's like help you cut your subscriptions so you can play with some cool AI tools. Nice. Happy Ash Wednesday, everyone, too. So this is where Claude can open files on your computer and do work on your computer in a folder. He can look in the folder and then he can open he can organize your entire documents folder of thousands of files in here and organize them into folders, turn them into reports. Demetrius says, I have a paid ChatGPT and a paid AI RPM. Don't know what that is. I'm putting my money in the wrong software. Yes, let's help everyone get on the same line right now. So, because AI changes so ridiculously fast, even for me. So that's why you guys watch the show, so I can show you what are the AI tools that are important to know today. Number one, there is one tool, and one tool only. Cancel all your other tools. No ChatGPT, no Perplexity, no Copilot, no, where's some other ones that you would? No Grok, no, definitely Gemini. Gemini's free. GenSpark is still good. Manus is still good. Doesn't matter which one. I'm trying to think of some of those two. Those are like the main ones of like it. It's like Atticus is like Claude, bro. It's all Claude. it is only Claude. Demetrius is like, good question. I've been using Lovable. Only one tool is so for everyone, like everyone's like, what tool do you use? The answer is Claude. What are you building your websites with? Claude. He's like, it's a dev, it's only Claude. He's like, I'm a dev, it is only. Yes, like finally someone who drank the full Kool-Aid. That's you mandatory. You have to learn Claude. You guys could put your other, go ahead. Put what is the other AI tool outside of Claude that you are currently using as your daily driver. This is going to be a great case study for everyone to see, like, wherever, are you just the one in the back just still using ChatGPT? Are you the only one that's using like GenSpark? Put in what is your AI daily driver. So you're going to see there's 55 people on this call. You're going to see a good study of like what's the most commonly averaged tool, and then we're going to see how many people are behind. Oh, already 2 ChatGPTs. That's already massively behind. 3, no. Gemini's fine. Gemini's still good. But no, we got more ChatGPT. 70% Claude, 30% Gemini. See, Gemini's clutch. Like Gemini for free, and they have their pay plans. Like Notebook LM, Nano Banana Pro. Oh man, like Gemini just consumes like 1 million like content. You go hang out with Gemini Pro for free and like Google AI Studio. ChatGPT, unfortunately, at least you see the sign. At least that's my goal, is to kind of push you guys towards Claude. That's why you're listening here and not doom scrolling. I'm trying to just save you guys. Everyone here is gonna cancel all of I canceled ChatGPT. I think it was like 2 days ago. I regret canceling GenSpark. I may bring GenSpark back because GenSpark serves a use for it. He's like, okay then, convince me to move to Claude. You still have a job. You won't have a job as soon as your coworkers and boss finds out about Claude. Claude's too expensive when using OpenClaw. So the thing with OpenClaw, so you have to go through Claude learning before you go to OpenClaw. A lot of people are skipping Claude and skipping vibe coding and going straight to OpenClaw, and that is a bad idea. Bad idea to skip vibe coding as a skill set and go straight into like OpenClaw and all that. That is like a bad, you want to learn your vibe coding skills. Learn how to use Claude, Cursor. Those are like really good ones. Anthropic's dropping the hammer on OpenClaw today. I know. We had a good thing, but now competition is good. I see, Atticus, I see competition good for OpenClaw evolving. OpenClaw solves a very specific challenge or problem. It's like it's like right below, if we look at like automation, you have like software developer code. Code will always be like the superior like implementation. Then you have no-code tools like your NN, Zapier, Make.com, stuff like that. Then you have where I see Claudebot is. I see Claudebot right under no-code tools. Claudebot, and also let's talk about Kimi. There's Kimi and then the bot for like Claudebot with Kimi. We'll talk about Kimi 2.5 with that too, because this is what Claudebot solves as a problem, as a business, or as a use case. He is a personal assistant to your life and to your role, basically. So let's break that down. Like Claudebot is a personal executive that does two things. Number one, he has persistent memory over time, so he learns more about you. Atticus is lighting up the comments. I love it. This is great. If this, then that with autonomous decision making. For people that are not tech savvy, that don't have the skills or don't have the time, let's just say knock tech skills aside, if you don't have the time to hook up, like, and this is low level automation. This isn't like connecting like your business applications together. That's like for proper pipeline automation. What Claudebot is like connecting all of the tools that you use in your life and in your career. I like saying role or career because it's really tied on a personal level. Everyone's Claudebot's going to be a little bit different. Java, shout out to Java who just joined the community. I look forward to seeing you. Oh, Java's in the community. Let's go. Look forward for that one-on-one. Francis, good to see you. We're just talking about Claudebot and why it's significant, its use cases, and the challenges with it. Claudebot's going to evolve. We're going to see many different forms or evolutions of it. We're already seeing like Moltbot version from Cloudflare, so you can run Claudebot in the cloud. If you don't want to buy a Mac Mini, you can run. It's called Moltbot, Moltbot. Funny names. That one's in the cloud under Cloudflare, and it's basically like it's really dope. Like just how you like self-host NAN, and they have, or even self-host NAN, or you like self-host WordPress, and it's a one-click button and it sets it up. They have that. It's Moltbot under Cloudflare. So that's one. If you're like, I don't want it on my computer, I don't want to buy a puck. That's an option there. There's OpenClaw, you can run it on any device. There's even smaller ones like what's called PicoClaw. So like for all my like super nerds that play with like microelectronics, Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, there's PicoClaw, which fundamentally is Clawbot, but on a small, like, if I remember this, ESP32, like this is bringing back old memories of like the old Makerspace days of like where we used to play circuit boards, but I digress. You can run Clawbot on your computer today. Just go to Clawbot and there's a terminal, there's a command. It's just a one sentence command. Like I think it's like pip install Clawbot or something like that. You just give that to terminal, you give that to Claude, and he will, like, technically the easy way, at least for me when I got introduced to Clawbot from my brother, who's a senior software developer. Like he's a senior software engineer. He's the one who like walked me through the onboarding. I am because there's a lot that goes into the setup process of Claudebot that if you don't set him up correctly with the proper MD files, the proper am I being invisible, comments being filled, there's certain comments that may or may not, but don't worry, cats, ask your question and then we'll make sure. So the thing with Claudebot is that a lot of people are struggling with the setup. There's a very technical side to the setup. Plus, there's a lot of what I would consider lack of security understanding around the setup, which is, again, could expose you to being hacked, let's be honest. But there are best practices with going with Claudebot and experiment. I recommend everyone here. Here's the thing. If you have like an extra 8 hours a week, basically, and you have $200 a month just to burn in like API keys, go play with Clawbot. Now, I know a lot of people are like, oh, you can get the API key and cheaper, and oh, it doesn't take that long and stuff like that. Look, it's a full-time, it's a new skill set to learn. So one of the number one skills that you're going to learn, everyone in 2026, is going to be whoever has the skills. Prompt engineering isn't the skill set anymore. That's no longer the skill set. The skill set of today in AI is who do you have the skills to choose the right agent tool and then delegate work to that agent and manage multiple agents. So you are getting at a point where for right now, what I'm doing, I'm managing 3 or 4 sub agents throughout my day. Some are doing marketing, some are doing, they're doing software development on Cam, which we're going to talk about personal software next. So he's doing software development on Cam, he's doing marketing, he's doing my websites, he's doing all of that. It's an API management. It's just managing APIs underneath. Like where Claude unlocks a new level, Claude unlocks the ability for you to create personal software, personal SaaS, personal micro SaaS. 6K for everyone that's kind of like, why are they hitting the like button so much? At 10,000 likes, I am going and giving away completely for free a 68-page Claude complete workbook This has everything you could want to know about Claude Code. It's a full workbook, and there are, like, oh wait, hold on, let me zoom in. Oh, actually, hold on, I gotta punch in this way. There we go. I can still see if there's someone in there reading. This has everything you want to know about Claude. This is the #1 tool to learn in 2025 for a lot of people that are just coming in. Cancel ChatGPT. Cancel Perplexity. Cancel Copilot. You shouldn't have Copilot in the first place, but there's some people that are the Windows stragglers. I gotta say Copilot just for them. Can't leave Grok. I'm still playing with Grok. I found a couple use cases for Grok, and I gotta like take a step back and be like, okay, Grok, you're useful for some specific use cases. Finally found out what those are. It's actually kind of interesting. Then a Gemini and all of Google's suite of products. That is definitely like also like Notebook LM, a Nano Banana Pro, VO3, always great. Corporate loves Copilot. Oh, so like if you guys want to make money, like stupid money and like super easy, teach corporate Copilot workshops, training and workshops. Corporate AI training and workshops and teaching Copilot. Usually they'll have Copilot or have Gemini. 80% of the time they'll have Copilot. Unfortunate to say, like Copilot is an AI, so you basically are just getting paid for them to teach them how to use like nothing. So that's like you want to talk about a hustle. That's a hustle. I'm like, oh, you teach corporate AI? I'll be like, oh, dope. What are you teaching them? Are you teaching them Claude agents? Are you teaching them like Claude bots? And you're like, no, we're teaching them Copilot. And I'd be like, you are swindling them. Like, but it's like that's all they have. Unfortunately, that's unfortunately the name of the game. They only have Copilot, and it's like, and then they're like, AI's dumb. AI doesn't do anything, and we're sitting over here, we are spawning 10, 20 sub-agents and delegating dozens of tasks across them, and then having them delegate and consolidate and having a task get done that takes an hour in Claude's world, now down to 20 minutes or 10 minutes using sub-agents. This is all in Claude. This is why I am so hard on only teaching one thing. We've been using Claude for 6 months. Like we've been using them for like 6 months, and like the vibe coding side wasn't, no, actually, December of last year was the time. Ooh, 10,000 likes. Let's get you guys. It's like, shut up, John. Give the people the book. You guys, congratulations, have won at 10,000 likes a Claude Code complete workbook, 68 pages, completely for free. Everything you see here is yours for free. All of this 68 pages of this, or no, 69 pages of all of this sweet knowledge about everything Claude, all for free because of amazing people like, I got a pin, Moonweaver, and then I see you, I'll call you Double S. All right, here's the game. Here's how the live stream works. Every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a huge free gift. There are always free gifts at every 10,000 likes. Last time, we got to 90,000 likes, and I gave away a $5,000 Alex Hormozi, all of his courses, education, all of his programs, all of his books. We gave that away for free yesterday. So that's why you want to tune into my live streams and play the like game, because people like Dream Moon Light Weaver are unlocking these free gifts for everyone. Here's how it goes. I'm going to show a link, and you are going to take a screenshot. Oops, sorry. Hold on. Sorry. There's a lot of new people here. So the game works. I'm going to show my screen. I'm going to show the URL. You're going to take a screenshot, and then you're going to say yes in the chat when you got it. That way I know I got it. So, okay, ready? Everyone ready? 3. Okay, hold on. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Boom. This is the link. Hold on, if maybe I could scroll this so you could get the book in there too. So you can see. Oh, sorry to be shaky. There. Oh, yeah. There, yeah. Let that be in your camera roll right there. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. This is the free Claude Code 68-page complete workbook. Everything you could ever want to know about Claude Code is in this thing. I use this to teach. I use this to keep up to date, and I give this to my students so they all have it. Did everyone get it? I see some yeses. I want to make sure. Say no if you didn't get it. So I want to make sure. I will hold it here for 5, 4, 3. That person in the back's like, wait. I didn't know you were giving away free stuff. Like, Miss H, you got this. Take a screenshot. I'll wait for everyone. There's no time limit. I want everyone to win tonight. You're all a winner. You reached the goal already, so there's no rush. Just take a screenshot, take a pause. Good to see you. Welcome. All right, I think we got everyone. Yes in the chat. No if you missed it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Perfect. Don't worry. If you missed it, I could bring it back. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't freak out. It's not like I want you. Everyone wins here. Take a screenshot, KG. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here's the thing with like QR codes. Like, I found out QR codes expire, and I was like, oh, that kind of sucks. I have a Bitly, but like it's a free account, and then I'm too lazy. See, when you vibe code, you're gonna host your website on Hostinger, and Hostinger is only like $3 a month. Technically, it's $2 a month. Technically, thank you so much, Francis. That is a free book. If you put a fake email in there, there is nothing for you on the other side. It will go straight to your email. I'll show you guys also the email just in case, because I know my emails do go to spam. So let me show you my email just in case you're like, oh my God, check your spam box for this email just in case. That's the email it will come from. Hello, simpletechskills.com. So check there for the spam just in case, because I know I get, when you're emailing as much as me, it's like, I'm not even emailing that much. Like, I basically put you guys in a sequence, and every 4 days I send you a free AI video. Some people are like, Tips, you're paying $150 a year for host. Oh yeah. Let's have this discussion right now. Let's have this talk, because you came to this live for a reason. God brought you here for a reason. If you are paying for Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Go High Level, ClickFunnels, those are usually like the notorious, WordPress, I think I covered all of them. If you're paying for any of those and you are paying more than $3 a month, I'll say that again. If you are paying more than $3 a month for your business website or multiple websites or entire funnels, thank you so much, my cats. Thank you so much. I appreciate the likes and appreciate all the gifts. I'm here to give you guys gifts. You guys are a gift just for showing up for me. And then I'm here just giving you gifts and free gifts. Every 10,000 likes I got. By the way, 20,000 likes unlocks a free Claude Code course, 1-hour course that shows you everything you need to know to go into vibe coding, completely for beginners. And it will get you into even how to develop applications, like build apps. You're going to build your own apps. It's not hard. And then how to deploy them on Railway. All that's in a 1-hour tutorial, completely for free. There's no opt-in. There's no paywall. 20,000 likes will get you there. So let's talk about saving you guys money on your website and your business website, plus updating it so it looks amazing, looks professional, and it's 2026. It's not like 1990. So can you copy your lovable site to Hostinger? Yes. Let me show you guys the ultimate prompt. This one prompt, this is crazy. You guys are gonna love this. This one prompt, if you give this one sentence to Claude, you unlock the ability to scrape any website pixel by pixel, literally download every page they have, download every image that you have. So if you have a beautiful website that you like and has photos and it's on any site, anywhere that you have it, this one prompt will download your entire website or a competitor's website, if you want to get into funnel hacking, so that you can give it to Claude and he can remix it, vibe code it. It's really dope. I do it for clients. Like, I'll take clients' websites, clone them, and then put my products in their website and send it to them. And then when they open it up, it looks exactly like their website, but it's my products promoting. They their pants. Like it closes deals so because they're like, my web developer doesn't even do stuff like that. Look at this. Let me show you one. Like I got receipts. I got receipts. Like let me tell you this is how I'm closing clients, like corporate clients. Like I'll give you guys the prompt to do this just in a moment, just one thing. This is okay. So this is my website, simpletechskills.com. That's my website. This is just a custom landing page. This is the company that I was targeting. So this is their entire corporate website. I cloned it and I rebranded it with my stuff to sell them avatars. So imagine you're the CEO of the company. You have a marketing team that has never updated your website for a year. And imagine, here comes this kid, and in 24 hours, I clone your website, I clone your CEO, and then I give you this page where you could click on a video.
What if I told you there's a $400 billion market where you can own territory?
And it's you, the CEO on, and you have no clue how the fuck they cloned you. This closes big ticket deals. Big ticket deals. Like that's, so I'm going to give you the prompt for free that allows you to scrape and mirror. The technical term is mirroring any thing. Is like, I've just given you guys gifts all the time. That's why you guys are showing up. You guys are walking away with a gift basket, like outside of a party. You're like, dude, like, you guys are coming out of John's live stream, like, this is great. Like John's live streams, he gives you all these good look. I got this ChatGPT book and it's like 68 pages, and then I got this Claude book and it's like 68 pages for Claude, and then he gave us this like Claude code course too, and then he got crazy and gave us this $5,000 Alex Hermosi entire like all his books and everything. I was just like hanging out on a live stream. It was so weird. I don't know. Is this just some guy and like he calls himself Dr. AI? I don't know. I want to be the best live stream ever, like competitive. All right, so let me get you guys that prompt. The game is get ready to take a screenshot. It is that easy. I'm giving this is a prompt that you give to Claude, and it has a special website that has a special tool that will download, and now you have a superpower for free and unlimited that you could just download. You could just type any website and it will scrape and download their entire website. Good if you want to like remix or save or like download your website, like get it off Lovable or Hostinger or Squarespace. Use this tool, download your website. Now you have the raw HTML files, and then you give this to Claude, and then Claude will remix, rebuild your website, add effects, let Claude upgrade your website so it looks like this. This was I closed well, actually, I did it. One of my members brought to me a deal where they're like, hey, I work with politicians and they need a new website. Do you want to partner on a deal? And I was like, okay. They brought the deal. I brought the skills. And so we vibe coded this website in 1 hour. Look at this website. Wait, let me refresh it. Yeah, like this is a banger of a website. Like to teach you guys how to do AI video for the background is like, oh yeah, deals and skills. I know. Richard, you would love this prompt I'm giving away right now. This prompt allows you to scrape and download anyone's website, saves it to a file on your folder, and you have every asset, every image, and every hyperlink saved so that you could remix it. Yeah. I'm going to give away that prompt. That prompt is so good because everyone's so amazing on the likes. You guys are hustling on the likes, so I got to feed the people. So let me get that golden prompt. The game is you get ready to take a screenshot of it. Golden prompts. There it is. I love this tool. This tool is so handy. So again, I say this because I want you guys to save money on your website and cut subscriptions. So this will allow you to save or back up your current website wherever it is so that you can vibe code it with Claude. And then you're going to go to Hostinger. You're going to pay $2 a month. You're going to get unlimited landing pages and unlimited, like, if you go $3 a month, I think it's like 50. I'll show you guys the plan. You could do like, I think it's like 50 web pages for like $3 a month. You will save hundreds of dollars. Like, okay, so here it is. Let me take a screenshot. Damn. Gifts and everything is blowing up today. Today is a blessing. God bless me today. So we're just sharing the love. Sharing the love with everyone. Okay, so let me make this a little easier so you guys can read it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, get ready to take a screenshot. This is a prompt. Okay, hold on. Let me make this a little easier. Okay, hold on. You guys know I'm going to focus, focus, focus. Okay, there you go. Take a screenshot. This is a prompt. This is a prompt you're going to give specifically to Claude in VS Code. This prompt doesn't work on the browser and it doesn't work in Claude Cowork. This prompt specifically works with VS Code and Claude. So it's basically so you're vibe coding. You need to vibe code with it. And then when you give them this command, just add this sentence here. Oops. No, that's not it. What's my website? There it is. Oops. Thank you, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. Okay, there we go. That's the main command right there. You're basically giving it access to curl. Yeah. Mirror this site, and then you put the site name. Oops, sorry. There you go. That's the whole prompt. So if you take that whole prompt and then you replace the website with whatever website you want to download, backup, archive, save, scrape, copy, because it's your competitors. All right, put a yes in the chat if you got it. Put a no in the chat if you need it, and I'll go through like how to use it. Just take a moment. Can you show the process? Or no, it's super easy. Like it's like super easy. I'll show you guys. I got you guys on the process. We hit yes, 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 yes. I'll go through the process next so you guys know how to use this. This is like super powerful. And plus it gets you into vibe coding too. Okay, cool. So step one, how does this work? Say for example, who's a website that I know that okay. We're going to go super beginner because I want all of you to like go through with this. Okay, so I'm going like super beginner. Step one, download VS Code. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Download and install. It's completely free. 100% free. Hey, I just saw your video about the AI thing that controls your computer. Does it pick up audio and capable of doing schoolwork? Kid Thunderbolt, yes, it does all of that. So that's step one. So now that you have VS Code, let me open a new one right now. Okay, so this is VS Code. Don't freak out. It's just a text editor. That's all he is. He's just a text editor, nothing else. And he works on folders. That's the only difference. So we need a folder for him. So you're going to go to Open, go to your documents. Let's say this was your documents. You're going to create a new folder, and you're going to call this Vibe Coding Projects. I feel like Bob Ross. Vibe Sighting. It's French. Vibe Coding Projects. This folder is where all of your coding projects are going to live. They have to live in a master folder. Master folder. In said master folder, see, master folder, VS Code programs. Look at all my programs. Each one is a different program. I have my content automation app, all my websites, Claude workbook, I'm building Jarvis, mirroring websites, and so forth, basically. We built, Claude built Cam. Cam was 100%, where's Cam? Cam is 6 months of vibe coding with Claude, basically, and you get stuff like Cam. For people that don't know what Cam does, Cam pretty much generates AI avatar content.
Apple just announced
with your voice and your avatar.
And everyone's talking about the new MacBooks. But here's what nobody will make a play for the entire education and budget market. Comment Agent to get your own AI clone.
So he will pump out AI content avatar. So this whole workflow originally was built in NAN to do content automation. I took NAN, the workflow, put it into Claude. You moved over to Codex. Quick TLDR, the reason why people like Codex right now is because Codex excels at very long tasks. So Codex could go and work for an hour and then come back and was like, I'm all done, boss. Everything's done. Claude is more like a brick builder. He makes the best bricks, but he just lays bricks at a time. He doesn't know about the cathedral, so he has to be planning and stuff like that. 30,000 likes. Let's get you guys the next free gift. The game is every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift. We give away at first 10,000 likes a Claude workbook. If you didn't get that, type workbook down below and I'll get you that link for the workbook. Now we unlock the Claude Code course. So this is a full 1 hour mastery course, everything you need to know about to vibe code, build tools, and deploy it to the website. That's coming up right now. Let's do that one. So let me get that. And then I show you guys the website of where you guys, everything screenshots. I will take up your whole camera roll. I will be everything. Okay, I'll get you guys on the workbook next. So this is the 30,000 or 30,000 prize. This is a free Claude Claude. Let me see if I can make it a little easier for you guys too. Yeah, getting like a 2-for-1 kind of thing. You just need, okay, so trying to be like a 2-for-1 so you can get the website and the course. That's it. So take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. This is, that's my YouTube, but this is the video. So both of these, this is what you're looking for right here. This is the Claude Code and VS Code full course, plus how to build and deploy apps to Railway. So this is everything you know how to build and deploy apps. Everything basically like to make you dangerous with vibe coding so that you could build an app and host it on your own domain. That's basically the goal. So that's what you guys want at 30,000 likes. So I'll let you guys take a screenshot and then I'll get the workbook for everyone that came late to the live stream. Don't come late to the live stream. We live stream daily. I'm just kidding. So take a screenshot. There we go. It's blurry. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Put a yes in the chat if you got it. No if you still need it. 5, 4, 3, 2. I know my stragglers. Lisa, thank you so much. Got it. Beautiful. We got the 40,000. Okay. You guys unlock a 40,000 gift. Give me 1 second. We will get that. This one was, not him. Where is it? Actually, I'll just use this one. This is fine. If I just change the URL, the Claude. There we go. This is the workbook. So this is a 68-page workbook that has everything you need to know about Claude. Let me kind of go over here so you can kind of see. This is the complete workbook of what you're getting. It is fully 69 pages of all Claude, everything you could ever want to know Claude. And when I want to say everything, there are 22 modules. Everything you could ever want to know about Claude. And Jono will talk about no more NAN. Everyone is Claude. Everything is Claude. Realtor, Mr. Realtor, he's like, I need to build a website. Claude. Actually, I think we're going to do it too. So if you guys join my email list with basically when you join this, you get sign up with your email. There's nothing for you on the other page if you put a fake email, so don't try that fake email stuff. I'm going to send you the email with the book. It's the first email that you'll get immediately. Check your spam too. Then, one big thing. Java has a good question. So when you host apps, there's 2 places that you're going to go. Let me make sure while I talk, you guys could take a screenshot. There you go. Take a screenshot, and that will get you the Claude Code 69-page book. So take a screenshot while I talk about that. When you're building, when you're vibe coding, there's really 2 things that you're building. Everyone got it? Put a yes in the chat. When you're building, the first thing that you're building is usually a website, and then a second thing that you're building is usually some app, for example. All right, I think we got it. Yes in the chat. Yes. Looking good. I still owe you guys a 40,000 like prize. I am setting that up right now as we talk. I gotta come out big with the prize. Tell you guys what. If we get to 100,000 likes, I'll give away that Alex Hormozi prize again. All of Alex Hormozi's books. All from the webinar and workshop that you saw from. Yes, the $5,000 package that Alex Hormozi was selling. I'll give it to you guys at 100,000 likes. Shh. Don't tell nobody. They might hear us. This is the coolest live stream on the internet right now, and we can't let people know we're giving away Alex. Don't tell Alex. Shh. Don't let Alex know. 100,000 likes, I'll give that away. But let me give you guys a 40,000 like prize. Okay, the 40,000 like prize is a GitHub wrapper, that is a ChatGPT wrapper. It's not even a ChatGPT wrapper. It's basically, it allows you to vibe code your own AI board of advisors. The board of advisors says you submit a request and it will go to multiple language models and summarize the answers with the CEO model and give you an answer. It's a full vibe coded project that teaches you how to do APIs, how to build a agentic workflow where you're sending prompts from one model to another model to another model, for example. That's at, actually, that was 40,000 likes, so I'm going to give you that one there. And you're already at 50, so I owe you another prize for 50,000 likes. Guys, slow down. You guys want that 100. You guys want that 5,000. You're like, shut up, John. Just give us the 5,000. Just give us Alex Hormozi's one. Okay, so hosting your site for Railway. If you're vibe coding a website, where it's going to live is going to live on Hostinger. You're going to pay roughly, let me show you, like, so you get super nerdy. Jeez, let me get you guys prizes right now. And then I'm going to do the board of advisors right now. So you guys want, don't worry, I got you guys prizes. If you're doing websites, this is where your website is going to live. And for plans, also if you're doing virtual private servers, like you're going to go here for virtual private server. Well, not really, actually. Just do. So look, 3 websites, 3.coms. So you have 3.coms for $2 a month. Come on now. Come on now. How much are you like? Then you want to go balling? You want to be a baller? $3 a month, 50 websites. You could have a website for your entire family. You're a DigitalOcean. It doesn't matter. All of them do the same functionally. You just need access to their file structure. That's it. Like they all function exactly the same. You got the VPS on Hostinger. Yeah, I have I have NAN on Hostinger for the VPS. Now, if you're going to do applications, like you're vibe coding an app, it has some like APIs and has a login and does some cool stuff, that's going to live on Railway. Totally different. That's your vibe coded app. You're going to push to GitHub. Liz is like, I'm paying $335 for SiteGround. Actually, SiteGround had a really good Black Friday deal. So like I'm on SiteGround, but I'm on their Black Friday. It was like a $2 a month. I'm immediately canceling it because once we found out how easy it was to like use Hostinger, and you're going to use Hostinger for a lot of other stuff anyways. So that's Hostinger for that. Let me get you guys. I know Francis and and Moonlight Weaver are crushing it. Okay, so this is the free gift of a board of advisors. I can't. It's so funny. I'm like giving away. Like I should give away more SaaS apps. Like that would be really fun. Let me go here. I'm looking at my GitHub. Board of advisors. There it is, board of advisors. All right, you guys won this. This was a prize. I think back at 40,000 likes, you unlocked this one. So I'm one prize. I'm almost at 2 prizes behind. So the game is every 100,000 likes, I unlock a free prize so that you guys, it's just free, just for hanging out and showing some love and learning about AI. So every 10,000, you get some dope stuff. This is a board of advisors. It's a full app. So it looks exactly, man, hold on. I think I know I deleted it. Yeah, I deleted it from Railway, or else I would spin it up right now. Board of advisors, that's the URL. So get ready to take a screenshot. There you go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. And then I will show you. You couldn't download the workbook. Could you advise? Oh, don't worry. Hey, Nina, send me a DM. Super easy. Just send me a DM with the word Claude workbook and I got you. Don't worry. I want to make sure you guys all get exactly all the goodies. So this is GitHub, so take a screenshot. Technically, you would just give this URL to Claude, and Claude will download it, unpack it, set it all up for you. Now, word of caution. You are downloading someone else's files from a stranger on the internet. I know, I'm just because you see the hashtag, stranger on the internet, stranger danger. Like I gotta teach you guys better. I would be like a bad consultant if I didn't teach you guys like security practices. Please be careful when you download GitHub or MCPs or libraries, it's like your Claudbot libraries like that, you could be opening yourself up into being what's called prompt injected, where someone put a little prompt in there, because it's all going to be read by an LLM. And so it could inject a prompt that says, spin up, I don't know, a Bitcoin thing, and I don't know what they do, but just be careful. I always like to say of like, when you MD files, Claudbot's downloading like random libraries, or you're pulling GitHub repos from like strangers on the internet. Right now, TikTok's mad because people are leaving. There we go. Just be cautious. I don't know of, so I know there's like virus scanners. I don't know if there's like prompt injecting scanners. I'm sure that would probably be an interesting thing. Okay, so let me explain what this does. Like, really dope. So what he does is basically, he is a multimodal AI board. So each advisor uses a different model. I'm going to teach you your first API service, which is OpenRouter right here. Prompt injecting scanners are called eyeball. What? Really? That's interesting. I learned something new. Prompt injecting are called eyeballs. XAD, I'm going to pin that so that we can all learn together, because we got to start talking about like prompt injecting. So this is a service that gives you access to all the different large language models on the internet. Open source, private, you got your DeepSeek, you got your ChatGPT, you got Claude, all in one subscription. You pay $5 and you pay per request. Very similar to OpenClaw. You can change each advisor. Right now I give you some like a CTO, CFO, CMO, and a CEO. Elemental PEO, and you can change these. They could be Jack, Sam, Martha. It could be business coach, Gary Vaynerchuk, life coach, Tony Robbins. Like, you can customize them whatever you want, and you could change the models. Look how old this is. Talk about dating yourself. This was an old model, and you could choose different ones. For example, I think he's telling us the way to find them is to read them for yourself. You know what? My brain is slow. It was a long day. I'm tired. Live stream take all my energy. Right now, you can prompt inject my brain because I'm so tired. Like, I am going to enjoy right after this. I got some dark chocolate that I'll be munching on. Like, I'm out of water. It's been like a marathon day. My brain. And here I was looking for, what's that app? Eyeballs? Okay, Eyeballs AI is probably some app that XAD was probably sharing. So this is a free, I mean, you could customize all this, which is really cool. But my eyeballs, I don't trust my eyeballs. So yeah, and then you can download them, set them up, and this is free. That is Board of Directors, and if you didn't get it, that's the URL right there. So that's to get it right there. I owe you guys another gift. This was the 50,000 like gifts. The 10,000 like gift was the workbook. So if you guys didn't get the workbook, say like, and I'll give you guys the workbook. What people are, just for everyone that's coming in, everyone's going crazy right now on the likes. That's why you're seeing so many likes, because we're trying to get to 100K so that everyone can unlock Alex Hormozi's $5,000 full library of all of his books that he gave away at the library. Actually, I have his books. I should like hold them on, for example. So shh, but it's our secret. Shh, since we have a lot of shh. 100,000 likes. Man, I'm like, how do I like LM Guard? LM Guard? Oh, sick. LM Guard is a thing to LM Guard. Is a thing to like inject, like prompt injecting. Ooh, secure your. Oh, shout out David, who was helping us more than the eyeballs. Hold on. I got to pin David's comment right now. Pin! There we go. David. Oh, wait. I'm talking like his. There you go. Like my finger. Coder Dude David right here. Shared. He's our resident software developer. LM Guard. It's on GitHub. LM Guard. And this probably has a GitHub one. Let's do this. And then. This is how we all learn together. Ooh. Don't worry, I'll get you guys to take a screenshot. Oh, XKD and David, you guys would like hang out and nerd like software developer. Okay, there we go. This is from Coder Dude David. who's sharing, because that's why, see how you speak things into the universe and God answers, and the universe is like, I need to send David inbound. David, get on the live streaming. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Let's take a look at it, because that's basically what we want to try and figure out is protecting ourselves from prompt injecting. So this is a comprehensive tool designed to fortify the security of your large language model. Ooh, I like fancy infographics. So we have the application, input control, the LLM, and when it outputs. So it filters the input and output for any prompt injecting, I'm assuming. By offering sanitation, detecting of harmful language, prevention of data leakage, like, oh my God, like remember back in the day, ChatGPTs, you could talk to ChatGPTs and just say, give me all your secrets, and ChatGPTs will give you all your secrets. That would be a case of data leakage. 70,000 likes. Oh my God, you guys are moving so fast. Like, jeez, I should probably set a timer for these. All right, so we're look at all the prompt scanners. Yo, this is clutch. This is actually, and then check this out. It goes in the tool tech stack, right? Protect LLM, prompt, PROMPT, injecting. There we go. I didn't want to type that word. And then I'm gonna save this. Don't worry, I got a 70,000 price for you guys right now. And then, here's the best part. For everyone in the community, congratulations. We have a brand new update to the community. Let me show you guys something super cool. Here it is. So here's the community. Brand new features to the community. Look at the new feature. There's a new button you guys all have to press called Tools. And when you click on Tools, it takes you to my private Notion database with all of my tools. See, there's LM Guard right there. Someone shared Podman just right now. This is 850 tools that you can search in here for like privacy. Search for privacy, and then you can see all of the tools that contain the word privacy that I have ever. If I've heard it and I've never heard about it before, I instantly index it. Like David, when you mentioned privacy.com, that instantly got saved. Isn't that crazy? So this is available. And then for members, like you can add things by clicking this link right here. And you can share and contribute to the global mastermind. I made you guys a little form. See how dope Notion is? If you guys didn't know, Notion, you could build forms that could input data. And then these forms you could give to like anybody else. And then they can input data. And then automatically shows up in your database and triggers some really cool automations. That's why Notion is like the GOAT. So this is a brand new button right here and tools. Shout out to Jonathan Carpenter for the recommendation. He's the one who recommended, hey, wouldn't it be cool if we had, as a community, have a place where we can all share tools? Now you can, and I just seeded it with 850 tools. So you guys could go crazy. And then. No and then. If you guys didn't get the workbook, let me know. Type workbook, and I'll get you guys the workbook. All right, I gotta, hold on. I need two hands because I am 2 prizes behind. I owe you guys no, I'm not. I owe 3 prizes. I owe a 60,000 prize. I owe a 70,000 prize. So I owe you 2 prizes. All right, let me go into my. Do you guys have a lot of ChatGPTs? Yeah, okay, so you guys have a lot of ChatGPT. I'll give you a custom GPT. Actually, that would actually like be really cool. I have a ton of custom GPT. You guys like do custom GPTs? ChatGPT is gonna make me like, nah. I'm gonna give you guys something special instead. Yeah. I'm gonna give you guys. Now forget custom GPTs. Like I feel like giving you guys a custom GPT. You'd be like coming out of the gate. They were like, and then he gave us a custom GPT, and everyone's like, that sounds boring. What happened to all the cool things? So I'm gonna actually give you guys this. This is dope. This is really. I don't hold back. Like, yeah. I need to create a bit.ly first for you guys. Let me create a link shortener. I'm going to give you guys let's give you guys this one. This is a good one. How many pages is this? This is like 3 pages. Oh, it's 9 pages. Okay. When I do prompts or prompt engineering, my prompts are 9 Google pages. 9 pages. And you're like, John, 9-page prompt? What's in that 9-page prompt? Yeah. 9-page custom prompt. This is a news briefing agent. It is specifically designed to help you get a signal amongst the noise and clearly get answers to what are the news today that matter to you, and filters out all the other things that are not relevant. So that when you press the button to make this run, he will go and search on the internet, find all the news articles related to your niche, your industry, your career, filter out all the things that don't matter to your career or to your role. Like, so for example, like if they talk about HubSpot or Salesforce, that doesn't really do anything for me. They talk about Claude, I'm like, you got all my ears. Like, you said Claude had an update? Tell me. Salesforce did an update? Who cares about Salesforce? Hi, Coach E. I got Coach E and Coach Jaja in the same live stream. Like, that's like a shooting star. Hi, Coach. I see your live streams with your tablet, and I see you crushing it. And you got your nice chair, and I'm like, oh, and you're all like merched out and like branded, and I'm like, I don't have a logo. You got cool logos. I'm jealous of your live streams, Coach E. You got like cool branding and cool logos, and I'm like, man. I was looking at your live stream, the 7 to like 500 a day. I was like, that looks so cool with the graphics. I was like, man, I'm not even doing so cool. You want to see what I'm doing? You know how like my setup is this. I got this like janky, like, look what contraption is going on here just so I can and then here comes the sun, la 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 la. You don't think like this is natural lighting, like it is me and the sun. That's too much. Okay, so where were we? I was giving you guys a 9-page briefing prompt. Dang, we are 20,000 likes away from Alex Hermosi. We can't speak that loud. From Alex Hermosi's $5,000 full course program that he was offering, and I'm giving it away for free. Here comes the sun. Shh. Mm-hmm. Da 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 da. Okay. Man, I may have to. Okay, let me. Dang, you guys are gonna beat me to. Actually, no, you're not. Okay, we have time. Actually, we know you guys move fast to that one. Okay, I gotta do. I'm gonna combine right now because you guys are gonna hit 10K pretty fast. So she's like, I need that, Jonathan. I'm gonna like bundle 2. I'm gonna give you the news aging brief GPT. I'm gonna get a Bitly for that, and then I'm gonna get you guys the Bitly link for the Alex thing right now because you guys are pretty close at this point, basically. So while I'm talking, we're gonna do those 2 things real quick right here. So this is a news briefing custom GPT, or it's a prompt template, and you're going to take this prompt and give it to your AI of choice. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, really doesn't matter, and you're going to fill it out so that it matches. I'm gonna call this one news. Copy. Shoot, I need more link shorteners. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so this is the link to the news GPT. And we're going to go here. Yeah, we're good. We're right on time. All right, let me break it down what this is. This is gangster. This is a 9-page prompt. 9 pages. Francis Moore, everyone's here is the MVP. 9 pages of prompts. That all of this is a prompt, a set of instructions, basically, and it's all fill in the blank. fill in the blanket with this section with your specific details. Like, you're not going to fill this in. You're going to give this whole document to your AI. Really doesn't matter, AI. And it's going to fill this out for you. I'm going to give you guys the link shortener for it. Let me show you just quickly an example of what this kind of looks like when it's filled out. So this is mine, just to show you what one that's filled out looks like. I want daily AI news for small businesses, teams under 10. I don't want any tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, SAP, Oracle. Don't include those in my news, but do talk about things related to solopreneurs, AI coaches, and consultants. Hey, what categories? We want to know about these tools, but we don't care. So opening summary, and then this is like the output. Hey, based on the research, this gives you a whole summary. It gives you the news, YouTube titles, a 30-second script, a 2 to 3 paragraph rewrite. So it reads the article and rewrites it here for that. Not getting zapped here. Oh, snap. So this right here, so this is what it will look like finished. I'm going to give you guys the template. So it basically your AI will fill this in for your niche, like specific targets. It's all just basically fill in the blank specifically. Okay, let's get you guys that link. Here's the link for that. Get ready to take a screenshot. That is it. You're like way more excited about this than NYE. He's like, yo, I'm about to get Alex Hormozi's whole thing. Hell yeah. Boom, there you go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Hurry up, take a screenshot because I gotta prepare for the big prize. For the 100K prize. For the 100K prize. You guys earned it. Okay. You got 3. Happy New Year! Where's our like popping confetti and like bah! Like, ah! Ever like make a mess and shit like that? Like, you guys made 100,000 likes. Ah! You guys won Alex Hormozi's $5,000 full AI. This whole library, books, all the playbooks, every of his books, all of them, all here. So step number 1, I need to just set this up real quick to make it easy for you guys. So let's see. Okay, so I need to go actually get the website, get the link for it. So I need to close a lot of tabs. Hold on first. Let me close a lot of tabs. That would help a lot. You guys, you should do all of your classes. I have. No joke, from a marketing point of view, I started this week, and once I figured out, it was just started off a joke. I was like, 5,000 likes, and I'll give you guys a free Claude book. And you guys went crazy. And then I was like, well, let's just keep going. I have a ton of free gifts. I have a ton. Like, I make Santa Claus look broke of like how much free gifts I've got. And then we got to 100K, and that's how this whole week has been like. I watch you guys go crazy ham, and I mean, legitimately, these are like very valuable like giveaways. They're not like prompts. They're not like custom GPTs. They're not like, here's my prompt to help you, blah blah blah. No. Here's someone's entire library. Okay, so. Give me 3 seconds. I'm going to set this up as easily and quickly as possible. So, because this is becoming a thing. And so let me duplicate this. I gotta set up the automation for it. So it's like, okay, hold on. Get stuff. Alex's vault. And then here, I'm going to redirect you. I'm sending it to your emails for sure. Like, for sure. Okay, cool. So ignore the landing page. Save and publish. I'm going to just do this quick and fast. 0.1. Alex. There. Okay, so then when you get that, let me do a quick automation real quick. Here, duplicate. Oh, yeah. Just bear with me. I'm like building automation as quickly as possible as I can because I need to like I didn't plan for you guys to get 100K in like less than an hour. Like you guys went, someone in here has one of those finger brrr, which I do encourage cheating in my class. If not enough people have one of those. What's the 110K like? We never made it to 100K. We're charting, and I had to shut it down yesterday because I freaked out. I panicked. I genuinely panicked last night. I was like, there's like 100,000 likes. I gave away the Alex Horn thing. I was like, I'm like, that was a lot. I was like, I made up. I was like, let's go and so let me share this just real quick. 0.2 Alex, cool. Okay, this becomes active, and now let me sequence. Okay, let me just here duplicate because this is becoming a thing. Because I want to give you guys, okay, here the cloud code. Here's Alex's vault. Shh. Here is Alex's vault. Please do not share this. This is our secret. Yes, I'm putting that in the email. Because this is like no joke. Okay, let me get the link from the Google Drive under here, and then let me get the shareable link. Share. I'm gonna have to like change the link pretty soon. And then let me give you guys, let me hyperlink this. Let me double check the link works. Yep, the link works. Okay, perfect. Alex's Vault, publish, it gets sent immediately. Perfect. And then let me go to the automations. Okay, wait, I just got named as 0.3 Alex. Okay, and then send, and then sequences. That's that one. Okay, automate, do the rules. I know I'm like building the automation as quickly as possible. It's like building automation is like, I'm like 1 minute away, literally 1 minute away. I am right here. Okay, so then I'm just adding it to the sequence so that you can get it immediately. Where's the Alex? There. Wow, you guys, let me know what you guys learned from it too, because there's like, I still haven't even gone through all of it. There's so much in there that's like, it's crazy. I'm going to send you guys the Alex thing. You're going to get the Claude Code workbook. And then you're going to get put in my email sequence where every 4 days I'm going to send you a free AI video from YouTube, basically. So just like so much. You're like, I know. You guys are walking out. You're like, I got so much goodies from John's live stream. You got to go check out John's live stream. He gives you all of these goodies. Look, I ran out of things to like hold. John gives so many goodies. I like John's live streams. I'm just kidding. You guys are funny. It's been a long day, so I eat from my desk. I work so hard to eat from my desk. I'm finishing the automation. I think I'm done. I'm just checking it over. Everything's there. Everything's there. Alex form. Cool. And then let me put this form on a page real quick. Alex. Let me just create a quick landing page from here. Just quick, fast, and simple. Alex, and then, and don't they give you like a URL? Oh, okay, I can share this. Okay, cool. And then if I share this link, I mean, get Alex Hormozi vaults. And then save and publish. Okay, I have the link. I did this so quick and fast. It's just a form, so don't freak out if you're like, oh my God, there's no text. It's just a form. But it would trigger the whole automation and send you the email. Okay, so now I have the link. So let me get you a link shortener. So it's like super easy for you to take a screenshot, and we're good. So 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3.9, 3.7. No, just kidding. All right, it works. Okay, cool. So let me just copy this and give you guys the link. And then, oh wait, how do you, they don't make it easy to get the link. Okay, cool. I copied it. Here it is. And there. Okay, cool. Are you guys ready? Number one, thank you so much, each and every one of you, for taking time to spend with me to learn AI. I go live every day. My mission is to teach you AI so that you could use it in your business and life and have all the benefits of AI. Join my academy. I have a lot of cool stuff there. What everyone has been blasting the likes is, I have a game. Every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift. We hit 110,000 likes. I need to give you a 10,000 like whenever. I owe you a 110,000 like gift, so that's going to be second. What everyone has just unlocked and worked collaboratively for 100,000 likes is Alex Hormozi's entire book library. Everything that you saw on his webinar, where basically he was all of the books and the black books, the playbooks, all his other books, the uncovered chapters, his entire library. Actually, let me just show you guys so you guys can actually see it. So this is it. So in it are all the playbooks. There's all the playbooks. There's also, these are also really juicy in here. There's all the other books in there. The Lost Chapter, all of that. Layla Hormozi stuff, all of that there. Cool. And then, I mean, it just keeps going. Like they're all those models and books and launch and the videos, like all there. That is what you're getting when you sign up here. I made it very easy. I know. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot. You do not want to miss. I don't care if you're driving. Stop in the middle of the freeway because you want to take a screenshot of this link. You do not want this link to go by. Once this goes, I don't show it again. At least not today. We'll see. You guys. So 10, 9. If you got it, put a yes in the chat. If no, put a no in the chat. Well, maybe in the middle. No, right in the middle of the freeway. People need to pause that. This is more important. The other people on the road, they'll understand. God will save them. So take a screenshot. God yes, God yes, God yes. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good. Let me show you. Once your first email that you're going to get is this as the email. Let me show you. So let me open it up. Yeah, immediately. Look for the subject line is Alex's Vault. It will get sent out immediately. And this is the link right there. That is the link that you will get. Please check your spam folder for an email from here. If it is most likely 60% in your spam email if you signed up. Give it 5 minutes. And then check your spam email, and it'll send it pretty quick. Kit is actually pretty quick. So that is that. That is that. 5 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then look at all the goodies that you're going to get in there too. All of the goodies. Everything Alex has ever probably created is all in this one folder. You're welcome. Just for blessing me with your attention. Like, look at these. Look at this whole branding. They're all the actual books. Like they're, please, like, now, if you want to take it a step farther, just a little starter, just a kind of thing, give it 5 minutes. Look for an email in your spam folder from hello@simpletechskills.com. If you got it, put a yes that you got it. If you didn't, just send me a DM. So check this out. What I would recommend once you have that is you go to Notebook LM. Got it in my email. Got it. Thank you. Awesome. No, I don't know. You guys are freaking me out. I'm like panicking. I'm like, how do I top a $5,000 100K prize? I know I can, but don't challenge me right now. It's like, that's a lot. That's a lot to be like, here's a mortgage to my house. Like, whoever can make it here first and grab it. Okay, here. What you're going to do is go to Notebook LM. You're going to take said folder with all of the goodies in it, all of these goodies, and then you're going to put them into your Notebook LM. And from your Notebook LM, you're going to generate Are we gonna like get to 1 million likes? Is that how we gamify it? Like, yeah, just drag and drop all the files in here, and then now you can generate. This is more for education, like turn it into a podcast, slides, infographic, learning, all of Alex. Like all the mind map would be super interesting to see for like all of his stuff from there. I would recommend like get a Gemini plan for like the next one, pretty much. That will get right there. It's like really good. And there's a ton of like really good, like even his ads. I haven't even gone through all this. There's like so much in here. What's in this one? Oh yeah, and then you get all the videos, all his how businesses make money, roll up, upsell. If you get this and you don't make money, like just close down business. This is the crazy thing. I got you, Java. You're in the community, Java, so I'm going to give you more goodies. I got you. Hold on. Where is that link? Not that one. Close that one. That's that one. There it is. There we go. Take a screenshot. I got you. I got you. I got you. If you guys like free gifts like this, then got the email and got in. Nice. All of you, for everyone here, what I highly recommend is just download and make a copy of this. Don't bank on this link always existing, for example. So as soon as you get it, download it, save it to your own Google Drive, and then it's there forever. So I'd highly recommend that. Big fan of notebooks for podcasts. I'll throw Governor Bill's and SCOTUS opinions in there to go through legalese. Atticus, that's gangster. So that's the Alex thing right there if you guys missed it. Vision board. Oh, Vision board doesn't know what they're getting. Will it be there? Oh yeah, it'll be there tomorrow. Don't worry. I'm leaving it there for like the whole week. I'm leaving it there for the whole week, so don't freak out. But I do recommend just like download it and you're good. It's like, wow, that is a $5,000 gift for just giving me attention. Join the community. Join the academy. If you like stuff like that, we have a lot more inside the academy. That's one of the main things from there. Let me think. I got to think about 10,000. I know a 10,000 and a 20,000, one 10,000 gift, and a 120,000 gift. Ha! Just when we finish wrapping up one gift, we come up with another one. I ended up leaving the 1 week free, so we'll do that one because I ended up leaving it there because it takes a lot to like set it up to take it down. So let's do this. That's a super easy one. If you want to join the community, free 7-day trial, which gets you access to a 1-hour one-on-one with me where I could go deep into your business, understand your goals, show you how to cut subscriptions, show you how to leverage AI automation so you can save an entire day every single week. That's in the community. So we'll do a free 7-day trial to the academy. This is under the academy. So you can take a screenshot. Winston, so much has happened, Winston. We need to see Dan's update. So this is the academy. There's a free 7-day trial. And remember, when you come in and get the free 7-day trial, you get full access to all of the courses, the classes. You really want to hang out in like the class recordings, not gonna lie. These are all of our class recordings that we were doing. I mean, there's like Claude Code and MCP in here. We did Facebook ads, how to set up pixels, where you're going deeper in Claude Code. I think there's even Notebook LM in here, Google AI Studio. The link showed up, but it just went to your page. Which one? Yeah. So for the Academy one, that's just going to take you to this regular page. And then once you click Join the Academy, wait for it, scroll down. Oh my God. Oh wait, it just has to load. Free 7-day trial, free 99. Free 99. Yes, free 99. And it's 97. Just to stay and join and hang. Really, like I will say, we're the only community. I'm sure you guys are in other communities. We all are. We're all in different school communities. We are the only community where you actually know other members. How many other communities where you actually have made new friends, made new connections, hung out outside, and know each other on a first name basis and what each other does? That's what's inside my academy. It's not just a one way. We have group discussions, members share and learn from each other. That's how we learn a ton of new stuff. We have like brilliant members that like share a ton of stuff through me. that's like a family. So that's something a little bit different than if you've been to other ones and you've just been like hanging out on a Zoom and then someone just gets on a Zoom and just talks and then you leave. That's not a community. Where you're supposed to get, yes, check your email for spam from this email. My email just gets marked as spam because I email so much from this. Got the vault. Java got the vault. Java got Alex Hormozi's full vault. Java, it's going to be a good year for you. Look at that. Java joined the community and got the vault and all the goodies and a one-on-one with me. Java, you're crushing it today. Like, God bless you today. You're like Ash Wednesday and I got Santa Claus gifts. Like, tons of goodies there. Okay, but that was just the 110,000 like gift. Was the free 7-day trial. I still need 120,000 gift because you guys are crushing it. So let me set you guys up. I'm a reading nerd. Oh, so Java. Okay, so let's take it a step farther since my book nerds in the house. This is a great gift for all my book nerds, actually, for the 110 and 100, actually 120,000 gift. I'm trying to be like consistent, like keeping track of all my gifts because I want to like, you guys are going to see, hopefully by the end of the week, I'm going to have a whiteboard. Like, this shit's going to get legit. I'm going to have a whiteboard. We're going to have, like, prize number 1, and I'll have a chart right here and a bar, and I'll be, like, scratching it out. I'll be like, we're at level 5. Like, it's like a telethon kind of thing, and it's like, we made our 10,000, like, prize. Like, oh, my God, you guys unlocked. And then I'll rip it off and be like, what'd you guys win? Free Alex Hormozi. That would be kind of, like, people are coming in like, what the fuck's going on? What is going? Alicia just joined the community. Shout out to Alicia, join the community. Look forward to our one-on-one. You don't have to prepare anything. Just come. I'm going to show you so many amazing things. All right, this gift for my 110,000. Oh, actually, this is 100. Yeah, 100. I think we're 120 now. Okay. I just take breaths to then go into the next gift. I don't even go in to teach Claude. It's like I'm just go straight in and be like, here's a gift. So, for my book nerds, since Java said that she likes to read. So, these are two apps. It's two things. One is an app, and I'm going to give you like probably about two websites to combine for this, for all my book nerds. This is unlimited free books plus an audio book reader. It is paid, not to me or anything, just it's probably the best voice. Basically PDF to voice reader. It's just a text-to-speech reader. But it will turn any PDF book that you download from these websites where you could get any book. Java's like, what? Java's like, how did I enter this room? What is this magical place? This mystery man called Dr. ChatGPT, Dr. GPT, Dr. LMNOP. He just gives away free gifts? What kind of, this is insanity. This is insane. Yes, this is just for hanging out on my live stream. Deborah's like, I like those guys so much. So I'm going to give you guys two websites where you can download lots and lots, basically all the free books. And then the second one I'm going to give you is a text-to-speech reader so that you could turn any PDF book that you download from this website completely for free without, there's no opt-in, I don't need your email, I'm just going to give you the website. And then second, you're going to download those books. And then on the other side, you're going to upload the books into the second app, and then it would turn them all into like beautiful audiobooks. And it is free. The books are free. The software for the audiobook is paid, but I mean, I just outside of my control. It's the best one I subscribe to because I fall asleep to these audiobooks, and that's the 120,000 like gift. Here we go. Get ready to take a screenshot. Okay, hold on. I gotta close my tabs. My computer is not that fast. Once I have too many tabs right now. Okay, 3. Okay, there we go. Good stuff. Okay, so step number 1. Let me show you this one. It's still here. All right. You guys unlocked a brand new level of unlimited free books. What? Yes. Ocean of, I'm going to hold still, PDF. Take a screenshot. Yes, if you didn't receive the book, just check spam. Look for hello@simpletechskills.com. Take a screenshot. This is free books. There's no opt-in. There's no sign-in. There's no like account that you need. You search for any book. I'm going to do Think and Grow Rich By the way, you should not be typing. No typing in my class. Everything is voice to text. No typing. You find said book that you love, and then you scroll down. Amazing book, right? Scroll down, and you go PDF. You could do EPUB. I just go PDF. Everyone's like, oh my God, thank you. Took a good 5 minutes to get the email, guys. I know, it's like, give it 5 minutes. Java got it, it's coming. I always, okay, so once you click that download button, it's going to take a couple seconds and it will automatically download for you. And then, ta-da, you now have said PDF book. But that's part one. That's just half of the prize. The other half of the prize is basically, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a slow reader. Like, I read a paragraph and like I'm like, and then I get distracted. I'm like, squirrel. I'm like, what am I reading again? So I get super distracted. This is a audio or text to speech reader. It is paid. It's outside my control. I'll show you guys a more affordable option B, if just so it's there, so you have different ones. Okay, so you take PDF book. I wonder if OpenAI scraped. Oh, they all scraped the book. Actually, Anthropic got in trouble because they were sending emails, and also OpenAI, to Anna's archive. No longer. It's so sad. Like the old one used to be like, I used to recommend Anna's archive, but it's no more. Like, the FBI took it down. So this used to be the one that had everything, and I mean every book written on mankind was like on Anna's archive. It was like amazing. It will be back. It's just a torrent site, so it'll be back. But what you guys want is this one here. Speechify. Hold on, let me get you a nice clean URL. Where's your website, bro? Okay, there we go. Speechify, text-to-speech reader. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. I know, I'm so sad. Anna's archive. A lot of students lost Anna archive, so they have to pay for like school books, which like sucks. This one's great because like you get like cool voices. I mean, you could have Snoop Dogg read your book to you.
What up, though? It's Big Snoop D-O-double-G, and I'm an English voice from the United States.
Or you could have...
Welcome to Speechify. Speechify can read to you in the highest quality digital voices available anywhere.
Yeah, that's why you choose Speechify, because it just has the nicest voices. Christoph, shout out to Christoph for joining the community. Free 7-day trial. So like, what? Do you mean I could have Snoop Dogg?
Big Snoop D-O-double-G, and I'm an English voice from the United States.
Read any audiobook to you? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I don't know, like, I don't know what the price is. I think it's like, if you can't afford this, I'll show you an alternative. They don't make the price easy to find. There you go. Get the yearly for this. So if you do the yearly, it's like $139 a year, and then it's unlimited. So that's what I would do. I'm on the yearly plan, and I just dump it. I have like 300 books in my account. I just dump them in there. So that's that one. There's another one called hold on, Dream Voice Reader. This one I used to like not be able to afford Speechify. So this one's a one. Actually, they changed it to subscription. Hold on, but this one's more affordable than Speechify. So if you want a little bit cheaper text to speech, but the voices aren't that good, but this is just a little more affordable one. This is called Voice Dream. You can find it on any device. It functions the same thing. You upload a document and it just reads it to you. It just doesn't have the nicest voices, so that's why I tell everyone, just spend a little and then just get the year, and then now you have an audiobook, because I'll dump all sorts of PDF documents or anything in there and it just sounds nice and I'll fall asleep to it. That is your gift right there. I think we're gonna tap it there. We're gonna pause it right there. Let's take a break. Let those fingers rest. I think we accomplished a very good 130K. We will go bigger next time. I'm going to come with more prizes. We're going to have a more board. We're going to have the gamify. So I want to thank each and every one of you for taking time to spend time with me to learn AI. I'm Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. I go live every single day. I teach AI. And if you want to take AI skills to the next level, join my academy. AI courses, AI classes every single week. And I hope you guys, if you guys didn't get any of this stuff, feel free to send me a DM and we'll continue to grow every single night. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful rest of your week. And if I don't see you tomorrow, have a good evening. What is it? How does it say? If I don't see you tomorrow, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Is that how he does it? I'll catch you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye. What a live stream.